Today, we are going to learn about the vowel sound ah. The ah, like in the word hat, is produced by positioning the tongue forward and low in the mouth. The jaw is lowered and open. The tip of the tongue is positioned behind the lower teeth. The lips are unrounded and spread open because the jaw is dropped and mouth is open. The ah is lax, so it is short in duration, just like this. When you produce the correct ah, you can feel vibration in two places. These are in the vocal cords and at the tip of your tongue in the front of your mouth. Now, let's talk about how the ah sound is written in English. A. Bat. AU. Laugh. Ant. AI. Plaid. A something E. Have. Then, let's practice the ah sound in words.